My off day well spent with my friend here. We are inside the bus. At least I did not stay inside the house all the day as we went out for lunch. I was super happy. My first time to eat shawarma here in Dubai. I have just come in one restaurant, and I believe that they have nice shawarma, and here it is. Yeah, I have got two. Wow. And I asked for shawarma which is spicy because I like spicy food, and here it is. So, and it is very nice by wrapping. They wrap it very nicely, and then I have some vegetables. Yes, you can see I have carrot, and this carrot, by the way, they dip it inside the vinegar. It's so yummy, very tasty. So I want to taste my shawarma, and I'll tell you how it tastes. Yeah, it is the shawarma I was looking for. Very nice. And it's spicy. In this shawarma, you can see there is meat, chicken, they grilled chicken, and there is vegetables, and also there is some chips inside, chips fries is inside. So yeah, and it is making it very tasty and yummy. The shawarma itself is made of, I think they made kind of pancake or something. Yeah, and then they'll just wrap it with all those ingredients they put inside, and then they wrap it with, yeah, and then it makes very nice shawarma. I don't know what it's in. Ooh. This is very, wow, what do they put inside? Vinegar, yeah? Very tasty. Yeah, the shawarma costs only $2, and also it has these carrots. It's very tasty as well. Yeah, it's very nice. Dipped inside the vinegar, and yeah, it makes a very nice taste, giving you more appetite. And this is chili. Oh, but I cannot chew chili. Let me try. I hope you can try also. Yeah, not hot. Oh my goodness, it's hot. It's hot, but with vinegar you not feel the heat, yeah? Then this chili is very hot. I also have fries. Yeah, I want to make it full meal. So I got shawarma and I have fries as well. So guys, the shawarma was so sweet and yummy. I have enjoyed it. It was very nice, and now I'm feeling okay. Okay, if you have never tried shawarma, yeah, you should try it. Please, anytime you are in Dubai and you want to eat shawarma, please look for a place that they do make a very nice one, and don't forget to ask one with chili. That is spicy, yeah, and you'll enjoy it. So guys, subscribe to my channel, please share and like, leave the comment below, and please kindly let me know how tasty it was, your shawarma. Thank you, bye bye.